Hi, I'm Vincent Bonasso, Product Marketing Manager at ABB. We're here at the Culebra apartment complex in San Antonio, Texas. We're installing one of the first installations of ABB's ReliaMod group metering offering. We partnered with Lone Star Electric Supply here in Texas and the Titan multifamily division of IES. ReliaMod was designed and manufactured by ABB to really meet the growing demand of the multifamily space in the United States. One of the key features of ReliaMod is the unique phase balancing solution. Phase balancing is done at the socket. No loose parts, and the parts are held captive inside that feeder socket. Makes installation very quick and very easy. We're very pleased with the installation here, really good feedback from the customer, and we're excited to see ReliaMod be installed all around the country. If you want to learn more about ABB's ReliaMod group metering solution, please reach out to your local ABB representative.